This tamarind rice uses 17 ingredients. It is ideal for packed meals because it can be enjoyed hot or cold. But the secrets to a successful tamarind rice are well-roasted peanuts, sesame oil and seeds, and to mise en place all the 17 ingredients which I've listed in the description box below. Actually, the last secret applies to all Indian recipes, otherwise you are doomed to fail. First, dry roast the spice powder made of fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, and red chillies until aromatic. Then grind the spices into a powder. Dry roast the sesame seeds until golden brown and set it aside. Then dry roast the peanuts until dark brown. Roughly grind them and don't forget to blow off the skin. Roasting the peanuts well will add a good flavor and texture to the tamarind rice. It also helps in balancing the sour taste of the tamarind. In a pan, heat 3 teaspoons of sesame oil and add the mustard seeds. Saute until they start to splutter. Then add the urad dal and chana dal and the red chillies. Add the roasted peanuts and saute for a minute or so. Add the curry leaves and the tamarind juice and let it boil, and then set the flame to low. Add the jaggery and salt and stir until the jaggery is dissolved. Add the spice powder and let the mixture reduce or cook under low flame until it thickens. In another pan, heat the remaining sesame oil and add 1/2 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds. Remove and use the same pan to fry a tablespoon of desiccated coconut until fragrant. Add them into the mixture and stir until well combined. In a large bowl, mix the cooked rice and tamarind paste together. Add the tamarind paste 1 tablespoon at a time according to your taste. The rice should be firm enough so it doesn't become mushy while mixing it with the tamarind paste. If it's difficult to mix the paste, add a little bit of sesame oil or use your hands instead of a spatula. I have read that tamarind rice is usually wrapped in banana leaves, but here we will use pandan leaves. Serve the tamarind rice sprinkled with more ground toasted sesame seeds or ground toasted peanuts or even cashews. But let the rice absorb the flavors before wolfing it all down.